Right, here's a question where you're asked to simplify and write the answer using scientific notation. Okay, so in the book, they often will tell you to multiply these two numbers together. And let me see what that comes out to be.
Motion detected at the front door.
Sorry, let me bring my calculator up. So 6.3 times 5.6. So it gives me 35.28. Good. 35.28 times 10. And then you're multiplying common bases, so add the exponents so you get -6. So this would be a correct answer. However, they say in the question, write your answer in scientific notation. Oh. Scientific notation, by definition, I don't know if it's definition or not, but the first number has to be a number between 1 and 9, or including 9, and then times 10 to the something. And what we have here is 35. That number has to be between 1 and 9. So what you can do is you can change this number to scientific notation by moving the decimal one place to the left. So that would be 3.528 times 10. Since I moved it 1, it would just be 1 there, times 10 to the -6. And then again, now I've got common bases, so I can add their exponents. So it'd be 3.528 times 10 to the 1 take away 6 would be a -5. So this would be the answer in scientific notation. This answer is correct too, but it's not in scientific notation. Now, if you're using a calculator, like decimals here, let me just try that. So 6.3 times 10 to the question was -4. Okay, times 5.6 times 10 to the -2. Your calculator will also do that for you. So it wrote the answer as 0.00. How many zeros are there? That's hard on my eyes. 1, 2, 3. There's 4. 3, 4, 3, 5, 2, 8. So that would be a correct answer too, same as this one, but neither of those are written in scientific notation. So this, to make it a scientific notation, since it's a very small number, it'll be times 10 to the minus something. And so I'd move my decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how many places I have to move the decimal. And so it would wind up right there in between the 3 and the 5. So 3.528 times 10 to the -5. And that's what we got up there too. Hopefully that helps you with that one.